Hey guys, hello, namaskar and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to unbox the MotoJack from Bloopers, and I did this video already once, but there was some issue with the lighting, so I had to redo it again. So I don't have the Amazon packaging that I had removed it from. I'll put it, you can see the difference of the lighting between the previous and the now video.
Been damaged because the last time I forgot to remove the screws which I use as tools. But yeah, this paper I said this is a really nice one. I'm hoping that I can carry this around as well.
That's what they say. Here it is. However, this is a MotoJack Smart. It says a tool to assist chain lubrication, puncture, inspection and washing by Bloopers.
So this is something like a paddock stand, but an alternative to the paddock stand. You can't carry the paddock stand everywhere, and that's why we can use this. This is portable, this is easily carryable in your trips, and it will help in cleaning and lubing the chain as well.
As I said, I got this from Amazon, and I'll leave the link of the purchase in the description below if you guys want to purchase it. And I bought this for 1200, although the MRP says 1699, which is 1700. It is a made in India product.
So the box contains a MotoJack Velcro strap, 2 anti-skid rubber pads and a carrying pouch as well. So let us see what is there inside without further ado. Nice packaging. See, I've already removed the sellotapes as I said last time.
Here it is. This is how it comes. When you buy a new one, this will have a plastic wrapping around it. I'll show it to you now.
And this is the MotoJack, nicely wrapped.
I removed it that time, but yeah. So this is it. This is the MotoJack. It's very well built, and the quality is good as well. Something to pull. So keep this aside. Let's see what's there in the box. As they said, there are rubber paddings, Velcro strap. There's a Velcro strap for the brake lever. So you apply this on the brake lever so that the bike doesn't go front or back. Pretty good quality. So this is another piece of this, what they've given, just in case this breaks. So they've given an alternative piece as well. We'll keep this. And this is a carrying pouch. Good quality. So let's keep all this aside. I'm going to keep these things in the pouch and ready to carry as of now. And let's see, whenever I do the chain lubrication and cleaning, I'll probably use this and maybe take a video of it on how to install this on the bike as well. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you until the next one. Bye. Oh.
This is something to go in this. Make sure it's not right hand, okay. MotoJack. Oh god. So when you put it, it locks, and then you put this, I think, somewhere.
Oh, this is a spare one, just in case this goes bad.